What's the meaning of companionably? Companionably. Companionably.
Companionably. Companionably. Companionably means in a friendly and sociable manner, often used to describe the behavior between individuals who are close friends or acquaintances. When two people are interacting companionably, they exhibit a sense of ease and comfort with each other, engaging in conversation and activities without struggles or discomfort. This type of interaction often involves mutual respect, understanding, and a willingness to listen and empathize with each other's perspectives. Overall, companionship is an essential aspect of human relationships, providing support and comfort during challenging times and enhancing one's quality of life.